How to remove globe icon from iPhone keyboard. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. General manages your overall setup and preferences for your iPhone. Inside the General menu, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. This section lets you manage keyboard settings like autocorrection, predictive text, and dictation. From the Keyboard Settings page, tap on Keyboards at the very top to see your list of installed keyboards. To begin, tap Edit in the top right corner to enter Management mode. Tap the red minus icon next to the keyboard you wish to remove, and then tap the Delete button that appears. To finalize the process, tap the checkmark in the top right corner to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily remove the globe icon from an iPhone keyboard.